weather finally blew. In the middle of April, Jacob loaded up his wagon with last year's fur. Have to make the trip alone, 'cause it would be too risky for his pretty wife Sarah and the unborn child she carried with her. It took 3 weeks to reach the Mississippi River, and he turned south toward New Orleans. For a boy from the mountains, it was easy to get caught up in the sights and the sounds of the city and the things you'd never seen. And the river rolled on like an endless ribbon. The sunlight glistens on the rocks below. He could hear her voice in the rippling water, saying, "Please come home, for the cold winds blow." He fell in with a bad companion. Said, "Give me all your money, or I'll take your life." Jacob drew his pistol, and in less than a heartbeat, the stranger lay dead on the floor, and someone had to pay the price. After 3 long years in a Louisiana prison, he stands on a hill and overlooks his farm, with his woman by his side. Thanks God for his blessings, and most of all for the blonde-haired child resting in his arms. And the river rolled on like an endless ribbon. The sunlight glistens on the rocks below. He could hear her voice in the rippling water, saying, "Please come home, for the cold winds blow." He could hear her voice in the rippling water, saying, "Please come